Hi everyone. Today we're doing a review and comparison on screen repair tools. So on the left you have UNO screen repair tape, and on the right you have ScreenMend. Now the first one I've used is ScreenMend. This one comes with these squares, and this is a 5 by 7 inch square, and you peel off this protective backing from the screen, the fiberglass screen, and then you place it against the screen you want to repair, and you apply heat with either a hair dryer or a heat gun. I've used this in the past for small holes. It's worked well. I'll show you an example of that in a minute. For large ones that I tried to repair, it failed. This tape is actually adhesive tape. Essentially, it's a strip of 2-inch by 15 feet of fiberglass screen with adhesive backing, and you apply it exactly like you would adhesive tape. Does not require any heat. And since for the current repair I did not have a heat gun handy or a hair dryer, I thought I would give the screen repair tape a try. Now you can see here where it also has a clear plastic backing, which protects the adhesive. Now it's stuck to the Q-tip, the toothpick container. And I'm going to show you areas that I've repaired with each on a screen, and you can get an idea of what the repairs look like and how durable they are or aren't. So here are two examples of repair with ScreenMend. There's one, there's another. These were done several years ago and have held up just fine. And cosmetically, I don't think they're too bad. It certainly, for me, isn't worthwhile removing the entire screen and redoing the whole screen for those two little spots. At the bottom of this screen was a large gouge, which I had previously tried to repair with ScreenMend, and that repair failed. I'm not sure exactly why. Maybe I didn't have enough of the good screen contacting the ScreenMend. Who knows, but it failed. Here you see it repaired with the tape, and this has held up for several days now, and even we had a storm with winds up to 30 miles an hour with the screen whipping back and forth, and it's held up fine. And up here was a large L-shaped tear, and basically to repair it, I would start at the top. I would reach in through the unrepaired opening to help press the tape against it and work my way down and across. So it took two pieces to complete the L, and again, this is held up in that high wind situation, and again, it's in an out of the way place. So the ScreenMend, forget exactly how much it costs. I think it cost around $10 or so for some squares of that. It comes with two 5 by 7 inch squares in this package. And then the screen repair tape. Boy, I've got a lot left of that. That'll probably last forever. Now, I don't know how long the adhesive will stay good for, but so far at least, for roughly a week or so, the repair has held up. It hadn't required the application of heat, which made it more convenient. And if it holds, that would be my preference. Now, whether the cosmetic result is acceptable to you or not, I think that's a matter of what you're trying to achieve, how important it is, and how large the holes are, and how out of the way. I would say even those large tears that I repaired on that screen are not that noticeable from the other side, and especially at the distance that people would normally be looking towards the screen. So that's my review. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.